Hey there, universe nerds. Let's play with a wild idea. What if our universe isn't the only one? What if everything we know, our stars, galaxies, even ourselves, is just one version out of many floating in an endless cosmic sea of universes? This concept is called the multiverse. And while it sounds like science fiction, some of the best minds in physics take it seriously. Today, we're going to explore what the multiverse really means, what evidence might support it, and why it could be the strangest truth about reality. The first version of the multiverse comes from cosmic inflation. In the earliest fraction of a second after the Big Bang, space expanded faster than the speed of light. Some models suggest that expansion never stopped everywhere. It kept going in different regions, forming bubble universes. Each bubble could have its own physical laws, constants, and structures. Our universe may be just one bubble in an endless, frothy sea. It's speculative, but mathematically consistent with what we know about inflation. Another hint comes from quantum mechanics. In the many worlds interpretation, every time a quantum event happens, like a particle going left or right, reality splits and both outcomes exist in separate universes. That means every decision you make, every coin flip, every photon bouncing, all create branching universes where every possibility is realized. It sounds insane, but it's a valid interpretation of quantum physics, supported by many serious physicists. And then there's string theory, which suggests the universe has more dimensions than the three of space and time we know. Some versions predict that other universes could exist in higher dimensions, separated from ours, but possibly interacting under extreme conditions. Imagine two sheets of paper stacked close together. Each is a universe, and under the right conditions, they could even collide, creating something like a new Big Bang. Of course, the multiverse has no direct proof. We can't point a telescope and see another universe, but there are intriguing clues. For example, strange patterns in the cosmic microwave background, the leftover glow from the Big Bang, might hint at collisions with other universes. Some physicists argue that the very existence of dark energy and fine-tuned constants that allow life suggest a multiverse, that we live in one of the rare universes where the numbers just happen to work. If the multiverse is real, it changes everything. Imagine infinite universes, each with its own version of physics. Some could be barren voids, others could be filled with exotic forms of matter, and some might look almost exactly like ours, with galaxies, stars, and even people. Somewhere there could be another Earth, another you, living a slightly different life. It's a concept that stretches the imagination to the breaking point, but also reminds us how little we know about reality itself. But we have to be clear, the multiverse is still a hypothesis, not a confirmed fact. Many scientists argue that until we have testable predictions or observable evidence, it's more philosophy than physics. Others say indirect evidence, like inflation models, quantum math, or unexplained cosmic anomalies, might one day point us toward it. For now,
It's an open question at the very edge of science. Why does the multiverse fascinate us so much? Because it taps into something deeply human, the sense that we're part of something bigger. The possibility that our universe isn't the whole story is both humbling and thrilling. If true, it means reality is far larger, stranger, and richer than we ever imagined. And even if it turns out not to be real, chasing the question teaches us more about our own universe. So, the next time you wonder if there's another version of you out there, making different choices under another sky, remember, science hasn't ruled it out. The multiverse may be fiction today, but tomorrow it could be fact. And that's why we keep looking, asking, and imagining. Because the truth about reality might be bigger than our universe alone.